Can a project manager make the transition to an agile coach? Well, yes, they can. Many do. To be an agile coach, you have to have lots of what used to be called the soft skills. You have to be empathetic. You have to be able to coach, ask the right questions, listen, pay attention, challenge people, motivate people. Okay? Project managers can already do that. Many of them have those skills. It's the agile bit where many trip up. Traditionally, project managers work from a place of authority. They can tell people what to do. They decide in what order work is done. They are in charge. Agile coaches aren't. If a project manager wants to be an agile coach, they may have the soft skills. It's a question of personality. Are they happy to let go of that authority, something that may be part of their identity? I am a one of these, and that means I can do this. Well, agile coaches have a very different place. They act in service to others. They aren't there to tell people what to do. They're there to help people understand what the next step could be, and to create accountability in that person or those teams so that they take the next steps. It's not about telling people what to do. It's about giving them the agency that they may not know they had. If a person can make a transition to that type of role from project manager, then could they be an agile coach? Yes. The second part of the equation comes to where's their experience in agile coming from? So they may have the right personality, they often have the right skills. But do they really get agile? Have they worked in a team or many teams in this way? Do they have stories from the coalface that they can bring, that they can help people understand, they can put things into context? It doesn't have to be from the software world, it can be anywhere, but you have to be doing this. You have to have it in your bones. Because one of the things we know is under stress, under pressure, you're going to revert back to type. And if that type is a traditional project manager, you're not going to be an agile coach in that moment. You're going to be a project manager and do a disservice to everybody around you. You have to have, before becoming an agile coach, agile in your DNA. It has to be that default response under pressure. So for a project manager to become an agile coach, they can build those skills. They often do in that role of project manager. It's more about, do they have the agile inside of them? And if they have that, they'll make that transition no problem at all. And if they don't, they can fake it, but that's all it will be. When the pressure comes on, they're going to revert back to what they know best and what has helped them best in the past.